According to the vehicle maintenance specification, after driving 10,000 kilometers, maintenance and repair operations on the reducer are required every 12 months or 10,000 kilometers. An existing 2018 Geely Dahao EV450 arrives at the store for maintenance after 20,000 kilometers, and you are asked to inspect and maintain the vehicle's reducer. In this lesson, we will learn together about The catalog for this course of study is divided into 3. Identify components, types of gearboxes, knowledge of the structure and working principle of the speed reducer, mastering the skills of routine inspection and maintenance of gearboxes. Part 1. Identify components, types of gearboxes, the role of the speed reducer. The role of the speed reducer. The speed reducer is located between the drive motor and the drive half shaft, which can transfer the power from the drive motor to the drive half shaft and play a role in reducing the speed and increasing the torque. Types of reducers. Reducers can be divided into single-stage reducers and two-stage reducers according to the transmission ratio. Single-stage reducer. The single-gear reducer has high transmission efficiency, low development difficulty, and low cost, and is used in most of the small and medium-sized electric vehicles on the market. Double-speed reducer. With two gear ratios, the efficiency spectrum of the motor can be divided into two parts, taking into account both the power and economy of pure electric vehicles, ensuring the car's back-end acceleration ability and high-speed continuous range. Part 2. Knowledge of the structure and working principle of the speed reducer. Reducer construction. The structure of the speed reducer consists of 3 main parts: the shaft system part, the case, and the accessories. Shaft system part includes transmission parts, gears, shafts, input and output shafts, bearing assemblies, bearings, bearing caps, seals, cabinet. It is used to support and fix the shaft assembly to ensure the running accuracy, good lubrication, and reliable sealing of the shaft assembly. Accessories. To complete the performance of the reducer, it usually has a peephole, oil drain hole, vernier, cap screws, lifting device, and other accessories. Principle of operation of the speed reducer. When the output speed of the motor is input from the main shaft, it realizes the movement of the pinion driving the big gear. The number of teeth of the big gear is more than that of the pinion, and the rotational speed of the big gear is slower than that of the pinion, and then it is outputted by the output shaft of the big gear, so as to play the role of decelerating and increasing the torque. Part 3. Mastering the skills of routine inspection and maintenance of gearboxes. Reducer inspection. Exterior inspection. Visually inspect the exterior of the reducer for knocks, deformations, and oil leaks, and repair or replace the unit if there are any abnormalities. Lubricant inspection. Lifting vehicles. Verify that the vehicle is level. To check the oil level, check the reducer for signs of oil leakage. If so, analyze the cause of the leakage and repair the leakage area. Remove the oil level screw plug. Check the oil level, such as lubricating oil and oil level screw plug hole flush. It shows that the oil level is normal. Otherwise, it should be supplemented with the prescribed lubricating oil until the oil level screw plug hole out of the oil. Reducer fluid change. Before changing the oil, the vehicle must be stopped and disconnected, and the vehicle must be lifted horizontally. Remove the underhood shield assembly. Check the oil level and whether there is any oil leakage. If there is no oil leakage, remove the oil filler screw 1. Remove the oil drain screw 2 and use the recycling container to receive the discharge reducer oil. Install the oil drain screw plug 2. Apply a small amount of sealant to the oil drain screw plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Add special reducer oil to the filling hole plug until the oil starts to flow out. Reinstall and tighten the filling hole screw plug 1. Apply a small amount of sealant to the oil inlet screw plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Check both oil holes for oil leaks. Install the underhood shield assembly. Lower the vehicle and pack up the workstation. This course, we mainly recognize the basic knowledge of the reducer, learn the inspection method of the reducer, familiar with the replacement process of the reducer fluid. I hope you can review and consolidate by yourself after class. Thank you.